Now, one of the key areas we're going to look at now is just how are SAP and Fujitsu jointly delivering on intelligent, sustainable enterprise transformation. To tell us more, I'm joined by Martin Raz from SAP. Martin, how is SAP and Fujitsu working together to deliver the intelligent enterprise to customers?
So we're working closely together with Fujitsu and with some even adaptive partners such as Microsoft or SUSE. And we have a close relationship with Signavio for business process intelligence. And what we do is we identify the key core processes of the customer that they would like to improve and the results that they would like to achieve, and then come up with a end-to-end solution and help adding sustainability in the outcomes that the customer would like to have. We actually drive outcomes, which will influence not only the top line and bottom line, but as what SAP calls it, the so-called green line. And that's the holistic view across the entire value chain and what you can improve to have a full sustainable solution.
Can you just expand on that green line a little bit more for me?
Yeah, so one of the key challenges, if you want to embed sustainability in your organization, is the data and control on the data. So what Fujitsu and SAP successfully are achieving is to come up with a business transformation program and help our customers to get that insight in that data and to see where areas can be improved. This could be on social quality, on the carbon footprint, on the waste reductions, and come up with a good outcome.
How is SAP addressing sustainability and how is it working with its partners like Fujitsu to deliver digital solutions that shape a sustainable future?
Well, sustainability comes very close today. So, for example, now with the huge crisis that's going on, you would like to have data to see exactly where you can get the refugees, where you can give them shelter, where you should have your supply chains for aid sent to the right places. You want to see that data and you want to connect your sources in the business network so they can see where they can do and what they can do. That's just one example of sustainability. Another great example is the changes in liabilities. So, for example, supermarkets are facing that they need to add a fee on plastic bottles and they need to collect them again and send them to a recycle plant. So you suddenly have a huge impact on your supply chain, on your finances, and on your logistics. It comes with costs, but it also comes with opportunities. And in order to process this quickly, you don't want to spend weeks and months on this, but you want to have a very clear project and help the customer to adapt those changes and to turn the new opportunities into a benefit.
So why is an intelligent, sustainable enterprise key, do you think, to succeeding in these difficult times?
The customer demands this. It's very simple that they are willing to pay for sustainable goods, sustainable services. It's not just good enough to have the lowest price or a certain type of quality. They want to be ensured that the whole materials are end-to-end fully sustainable produced and sustainable brought and delivered. It also helps customers to get a grip on costs. So it is very important that from the base, from the raw materials all the way to the customer, that you have a grip on your costs and therefore be able to get a sustainable competitive advantage.
Great, Martin. Thank you very much for joining us.